Good morning, guys. Happy 1st of February. I was just getting on here because I got an early V-Day gift from my husband. So let's see what's in the box. Because my husband can't be here physically, he does an extremely good job of making me feel loved and making his presence known in my life. So I really, really appreciate that. I think it's very sweet for a person to just show you some love. Ah! Okay. As you can see, the wrapping, if y'all guys can see, it's from Tiffany. You know, us women love that little blue box. The presentation is beautiful. How they got it wrapped. Little Tiffany receipt. Little blue box. Little blue bag. Oh, this packaging is so beautiful. They did a good job with that. Okay, this is just basically the Tiffany receipt. A little envelope with a card. And it says, "To my beautiful wife, I love you." Oh, so cute. It's a presentation for me. What woman wouldn't love a blue box? We love the blue box. Super cute. Just keeps getting cuter and cuter. The little Tiffany sack for those who shop it. You know, you can put your jewelry in a sack after you take it out the box. Packaging. The little necklace fell out. Oh, this is super cute. It's just a little Tiffany necklace with the letter E. Both our names begin with an E, so it's super cute. I love a necklace. I'm gonna make a video of all the gifts that my husband gave me that I love. But it's just a little cursive E, and it has Tiffany and Company on the back. Super cute and elegant. I love a choker. I got all kinds. Oh, that was super cute. Super sweet. Oh, super nice. God bless y'all. Have a good day.